Welcome to the distance education or virtual class conducted by National Babson Kasky. It's me, your social study teacher, and today I'm going to teach you social study of class 5. Dear students, in our previous class, we have already discussed on various topics. Today, we are going to learn about antisocial activities. Antisocial activities. Okay. So my dear students, please can you explain or can you say something about the antisocial activities or antisocial activities? Can you say about it? It might be new term for you. So please can you? Okay. Before entering to the subject matter, let me write some objectives why we are going to learn this chapter today, okay? So that you will be clear on this topic. First is that after the completion of this chapter, my dear students, you will be able to or you will be aware of antisocial activities like theft, robbery, kidnapping, etc. Okay? That means one objective is be aware of antisocial activities like theft, robbery, kidnapping, etc. That means you will clearly know about the antisocial activities like theft, robbery, kidnapping, etc. That means you will be aware about these antisocial activities. And next is that you will be able to take measures to protect themselves or yourself from antisocial activities. That means you will be able to take measures to protect yourself from what? Yourself from antisocial activities. Yourself from antisocial activities. Okay. So now, my dear students, you will be able to take measures. Measures means the way or the method to protect yourself from antisocial activities. That means you will protect yourself from doing any antisocial activities. Okay? So, let's enter to the subject matter now. Look at the man in the picture. Please see the picture. Look at the man in the picture. They have been arrested by police. Look, they have been arrested by police. So please, can you guess why do they are arrested by police? Why do you think they are arrested? Can you guess the answer? Please try to guess it. यो पिक्चरमा अघि देखाइएको पिक्चरमा पुलिसहरूले त्यो मानिसलाई किन समातेको होला? Can you guess it? Okay, let me tell you. If your answer is those men must have committed a crime. Committed, okay, it might be new terms for you, my dear student. Committed. Committed, it might be new term for you. Committed. Done, okay? Committed means done. गरिएको के नराम्रो कामहरु गरिएको अथवा चाहिँ के कामहरु गरिएको छ भने to carry out a crime, done or carry out some crime. Okay? Committed means done. गरिएको अथवा चाहिँ carry out some crime. केही अवैध कामहरु अथवा चाहिँ नचाहिने कामहरु गरिएको छ भने committed. Okay? काट्नुपर्छ है committed might be new term for you committed carry out some crime okay committed means to carry out some crime केही नराम्रो कामहरु गरिएको हुनुपर्छ crime means activities which are prohibited by the law क्राइम भन्ने बित्तिकै के हो त कानुनले बन्देज गरेका कुराहरु कानुनको नजरमा गर्न नहुने कामहरु भनेको क्राइम मीन्स ओके नाउ if your answer is those men must have committed a crime committed means to carry out or to do something that is not good okay you are absolutely right if you think that they must have committed a crime यदि तपाईहरुले चाहिँ तिनीहरुले पक्कै पनि नराम्रो काम अथवा चाहिँ क्राइम गरेको हुनुपर्छ भनेर सोच्नु भएको छ भने you are absolutely right for your answer they were caught red-handed kidnapping a wealthy man's son okay kidnapping might be new term for you kidnapping what abducting someone for money kidnapping means abducting kidnapping okay means abducting someone for money okay kidnapping means abducting someone for money that means to catch someone to demand the money कसैलाई पैसा अब कसैलाई समातेर बन्देज गरेर हैन उनीहरुलाई चाहिँ एउटा ठाउँमा राखेर उसको घर परिवारसँग पैसा माग्नु भनेको के किडन्यापिङ गरेर चाहिँ ओके दिस इज द क्राइम दैट इज डन फर डिमान्डिङ द मनी पैसा डिमान्ड गर्नको लागि पैसा माग्नको लागि कसैलाई समातेर बन्देज गरेर राखेर पैसा माग्नको लागि चाहिँ गरिने क्राइम हो यो किडन्यापिङ भनेको किडन्यापिङ मीन्स abducting someone for money means in a simple language the crime committed for demanding money okay so now these people they were caught red-handed kidnapping a wealthy man's son एकदमै धनाढ्य मानिसको अथवा धनी मानिसको बच्चालाई छोरालाई समातेको छोरालाई चाहिँ अपहरण गर्दा गर्दै रङ्गे हात समातिएको हुन् okay let's talk about kidnapping okay kidnapping is an example of antisocial activity oh yeah antisocial activities means what okay antisocial activities means the activities or the work done against the what against the law and order of the society है अब सोसाइटीको ल एन्ड अर्डरको अगेन्स्टमा गरिएको कामहरु भनेको एन्टी-सोशल एक्टिभिटीज भयो or it might be the activity or the work done which is done not for the welfareness of the society जुन चाहिँ सोसाइटीको वेलफेयरनेस का लागि गरिएका हुँदैन जुन चाहिँ सोसाइटीलाई बेनिफिशियल हुँदैन ओके एन्टी सोशल एक्टिभिटीज इज नट बेनिफिशियल फर सोसाइटी यो सोसाइटीका लागि बेनिफिशियल हुँदैन ओके नाउ kidnapping is an example of anti-social activity kidnapping oh see you can see the picture also of kidnapping look okay kidnapping is an example of anti-social activity some other anti-social activities are theft robbery fighting destruction of others property extortion murder abduction etc oh look kidnapping it is also an example of antisocial activities अपहरण गर्नु पनि एउटा antisocial activities नै हो and some other antisocial activities are theft robbery चोरी गर्दै हिँड्ने fighting destruction of others property अरूको सम्पत्ति अथवा चाहिँ उनीहरुको घरहरु तोडफोड गर्दिने अथवा सम्पत्ति हिनाबिना गराइदिने extortion murder मान्छे मार्ने abduction etc oh extortion what it might be extortion see extortion might be new term what it could be के हुन सक्छ होला यो okay extortion means obtaining money through force or threats कसैलाई डराएर धम्काएर पैसा हडपिन्छ भने त्यस्तोलाई एक्सटर्सन भनिन्छ दादागिरी गरेर पैसा निकाल्ने भनेको गुन्डागर्दी गरेर ओके obtaining money extortion means obtaining money through what through force or threats कसैलाई डराएर धम्काएर चाहिँ पैसा हप्ता असुली गर्ने भन्छ नि फिल्मतिर सुन्यो होला है एक्सटर्सन भनेको obtaining money through force or threats हप्ता असुली गर्ने भने जस्तो कुराहरू नेक्स्ट abduction abduction what it might be के हुन सक्छ होला what it might be abduction means an act of taking someone forcefully abduction means an act of taking someone forcefully okay so dear students I have written the new terms over here for your convenience सजिलाका तपाईहरुको सजिलाका लागि चाहिँ मैले यहाँ यो न्यू वर्ड्सहरु न्यू टर्म्सहरु लेखिदिएको छु प्लिज नोट डाउन दिस इन योर कपी अल्सो ओके एक्सटर्सन मीन्स obtaining money through force or threats कसैलाई डराएर धम्काएर यातना दिएर चाहिँ पैसा असुलुपर गर्ने abduction means an act of taking someone forcefully कुनै एक व्यक्तिलाई उसको इच्छा विपरीत चाहिँ जबरजस्ती गरेर बोकेर अथवा लिएर जानु भनेको abduction लाइक किडन्यापिङ मा अघि नै युज भएको टर्म्स थियो ओके there are different types of crimes people involved in these bad activities are called criminals okay so kidnapping robbery theft abduction extortion murder etc these all are different types of crimes and those people who involved in these bad activities are called criminals अब यी सबै यो murder extortion abduction kidnapping theft robbery these are the example or types of what antisocial activities or crimes and those people who involved in such activities are called criminals अपराधी भनेर कस्तालाई भनिँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि अपराधजन्य कामहरुमा अथवा अपराधजन्य क्रियाकलापमा भागीदार भएको अथवा त्यो काम अपराधजन्य कामहरु गर्ने मान्छेलाई अपराधी भनेर बुझिएको छ ओके those people who involved in different antisocial activities or in crimes are called criminals the news about antisocial activities frequently appears in daily newspaper yes we can see lots of news about antisocial activities in different news media like in television we can see different news about antisocial activities in newspaper also we can get that and even in radio also we can get the news about antisocial activities frequently हैन हामीले दिनानुदिन प्राय जसो गरेर एन्टिसोशल एक्टिभिटीजहरु लाइक क्राइम्सहरुको न्यूजहरु चाहिँ हामीले डेली जस्तो सुनिरहेका हुन्छौं Here is a news story from a newspaper okay here is a news story from a newspaper let us read it to find out what bad activities occur in our community okay I have a small piece of newspaper यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा न्यूजपेपरमा आएको नेप्लिज न्यूजपेपरमा आएको एउटा न्यूज स्टोरी छ सानो त्यो म तपाईहरुलाई पढेर सुनाइदिन्छु है थेफ्ट एट जनकपुरमा चोरहरुको बिगबिगी भन्ने एउटा न्यूज रहेछ 2020 January 22 a thief was catched when they were trying to steal the jewelry and other property from Rajani Yadav's house in Janakpur okay that means this thief they were caught red hand while they were assuring to steal the jewelry and other property हेर्नुस् त अब यहाँ चाहिँ के भयो त चोरहरुलाई चाहिँ चोरले चाहिँ ज्वेलरी र अरु भ्यालुएबल प्रपर्टीहरु चोर्ने बेलामा चाहिँ उनीहरुलाई समातिएछ कसको घरमा? फ्रम हुज हाउस? फ्रम रजनी यादव्स हाउस. वेयर? इन जनकपुर. ओके, जनवरी 22 2020 मा के गरियो त? जनकपुरमा रजनी यादव्सको घरमा चोरी हुँदै गर्दाखेरि चोरहरू समातिए. लास्ट नाइट at 2 p.m. Last night means yesterday. Okay, last night at 2 p.m. while Rajani's family members were sleeping, the thieves entered into the house. Okay, last night at 2 p.m. means it is midnight. यो राति भइरहेको थियो. And at that time, Rajani's family members were sleeping and the thieves entered into the house. र त्यही सुतिरहेको मौकामा रजनीको घरभित्र चोरहरू छिर्छन्. Rajani's neighbors Dhaniklal saw the thieves entering the house through the window and he called the police. See, the neighbors. Yeah? Dhaniklal, he saw the thieves entering to the house through window. अब रजनीको घरमा चोरहरू छिर्दै गरेको चाहिँ कसले देख्नुभएछ त? धनिकलालले देख्नुभएछ. Dhaniklal saw the thieves entering into the house through window and at the same time he called the police. र त्यही समयमा तुरुन्तै उनले पुलिसलाई फोन गरिदिनु भयो. He also informed all the neighbors and even he informed all the neighbors though he called the police. पुलिसलाई बोलाए तापनि उसले अब धनिकलालले के गर्नुभयो त? त्यहाँको आफ्नो छरछिमेकीलाई बोलाउनु भयो, कल गर्नुभयो अथवा उठाइदिनु भयो. Soon the police arrived there and catch the thief. The police thanked Dhaniklal for the information and soon police they arrived at the spot and they catch the thief and thanked Dhaniklal for the information. अब पुलिस एकैछिनमा त्यहाँ घटनास्थलमा आइपुग्यो र उले चोरलाई समात्यो र इन्फर्मेसन दिने धनिकलाललाई धन्यवाद पनि दिएका थिए उनीहरूले. See, with the mutual help and mutual understanding between the neighbors, we can easily solve the problems, isn't it? Yes. हेर्नुस् त, हाम्रो नेबरसँगको राम्रो रिलेसनशिपको कारणले गर्दाखेरि अब नेबरसँग म्युचुअल कोअपरेसन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के भयो त? यहाँनेर त्यो चोरलाई एकदमै छिटै समाउन सकियो. Because of that, there is not loss of any other more valuable properties. हैन त? त्यहाँ अब त्यो सहकार्यको कारणले गर्दाखेरि त्यो धनिकलाल अंकलको एउटा फोन कलको कारणले गर्दाखेरि के भयो त? त्यहाँ धेरै भ्यालुएबल प्रोपर्टिजहरुको लस हुन पाएन. Are you clear about it? Okay. The crimes that news story talk about is increasing in our society. Yes. The crimes that news story talk about is increasing in our society day by day. त्यो जुन चाहिँ न्यूजपेपरमा अघि भनिएको जुन चाहिँ क्राइम थियो, त्यो क्राइम डे बाइ डे इट इज इन्क्रिजिङ इन आवर सोसाइटी. हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा त्यो दिन गुना चाहिँ रात चौगुना जस्तो तरिकाले चाहिँ यो बढ्दै गइरहेको छ हाम्रो समाजमा. It is increasing day by day. Okay? There are many reasons behind the occurrence of these crimes. Some of these incidents occur because of the carelessness of the individuals also. Okay. So now, my dear students, behind these criminal activities, it has some reasons also. यो criminal activities को पछाडि केही न केही कारणहरु हुन्छ. There are many reasons behind the occurrence of these crimes. Some of these incidents occur because of our carelessness also. And these crimes are occurred or such incidents occur due to our carelessness also. हामी हाम्रै केयरलेसनेस को कारणले गर्दाखेरि पनि यस्ता खालको क्राइमहरु अथवा यस्ता खालको इन्सिडेन्टहरु घटिरहेको हुन्छ. So are you clear about it? And even some other reasons are unemployment, गरिबीको कारणले गर्दाखेरि, unemployment, बेरोजगारीको कारणले गर्दाखेरि, poverty, अब गरिबीको कारणले गर्दाखेरि, gambling, अब gambling को बारेमा मैले लास्ट टाइम पनि भनिसकेको थिएँ. Gambling is a game played for the chances of making money. Gambling को कारणले गर्दाखेरि drinking alcohol, जान रक्सी खानको लागि, taking drugs, अब ड्रग्सहरु सेवन गर्नको लागि, and other unnecessary competitions. र अरु unnecessary competitionsहरुको लागि चाहिँ यस्ता खालका एक्टिभिटिजहरु भइरहेको हुन्छ. That means these incidents or crimes are committed for several reasons. Some of them are unemployment, poverty, gambling, drinking alcohol, taking drugs, and other unnecessary competitions too. Some people want to have a luxurious life. Luxurious means what? Extremely comfortable. Okay? Extremely comfortable means where you get everything that you demand or that you desire. अब यहाँ कतिपय मानिसले चाहिँ एकदमै शौकीन आरामदायी जीवन बिताउनका लागि पनि यस्ता खालको क्राइमहरु कमिट गर्छन्. Some people want to have a luxurious life without working. So because of that, they also commit such crime. They have great desire to show off unnecessary and compete with others. And because of great desire to show off unnecessary and compete with others, such crimes are committed. My dear students, we are at the end of today's class, but we haven't completed our course. We will complete this course in our next class. Till then, please stay tuned, stay connected with us. Thank you.